Interior Design Solutions is dedicated to providing sustainable, convenient options for enhancing commercial spaces through the use of Belbien architectural film. Belbien has been designed to look and feel like 600 upscale finishes such as natural wood, prestigious marble, modern metals, leather, and fabrics, eliminating the logistics of traditional renovations. After all, our focus is to reduce cost and downtime while maintaining an upscale aesthetic. With Belbien, building tenants can maintain their routine without disturbance from loud and often messy construction. And building owners can find confidence in knowing that their spaces can be conveniently transformed for a fraction of the cost of renovation. Our team of professional installers ensure that each space is transformed in a fraction of the time that it would take to replace existing surfaces. Refreshing existing surfaces also keeps them out of the landfill, which dramatically mitigates the impact on our environment and contributes to LEED credits and sustainability. Our trained installers ensure that each surface is properly prepared to guarantee proper adhesion and a stunning finished product. With Belbien, the possibilities are endless. Welcome to the future of commercial remodeling.